several weeks has officially come to an end. Moments ago, at approximately 7:42 a.m. local time, the crimson lunar effect dissipated completely. Sunlight has fully returned across all affected regions. Scientific and military task forces confirm that the creatures generated by the phenomenon, including blood wolves, vampiric entities, shadow ghosts, skeletal forms, demonic apparitions, and all other hostile manifestations have ceased all activity. Further investigation shows these creatures are rapidly disintegrating into harmless dust-like particles upon exposure to natural sunlight. There are no remaining threats. Residents who were previously in hiding may now safely emerge. Emergency crews, medical teams, and restoration units are being deployed nationwide. All shelters will remain open as people return to normal life and cleanup operations begin. Authorities emphasize that the phenomenon cannot resume, as the astronomical and environmental conditions required for its existence have collapsed entirely. You may now resume normal activities. This concludes all active alerts related to the blood moon phenomenon. Stay tuned to local officials and broadcasters for post-event information and recovery assistance.